To check Wi-Fi and mobile data usage on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, we need to go to Settings, then choose Connections, and here we want to go to Data Usage. And then you should be able to find the information of the mobile data used for your selected SIM. And in addition to that, if you scroll down, we have two sections for each SIM card that you have. Of course, that is if you have two SIM cards inserted, but essentially you can go to mobile data usage for your SIM card in order to find more information about the mobile data usage. We can also find the list of apps and how much data they have used. And if you are looking for Wi-Fi usage, then over here we have it at the very bottom in this data usage menu. So if you go over here, we have the same thing. Of course, we can switch the period to something else after some time. And that is all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!